We've all probably looked at glass and wondered, why can I see through this, but I can't see through a wall? Well, light has a lot of interesting properties and unique abilities that I'm going to explain to you today. You can think of light like water. Sometimes it's in waves, like in the ocean, and sometimes it's particles, like in the air. Light does the same thing. It can be in waves or particles. When light waves, or particles, hit something, it attempts to absorb as much as possible. In most cases, it absorbs it all. But for things like glass, it can't absorb enough light, so it passes through, making it clear. Walls, on the other hand, can absorb all the light, thus it's opaque. But how does absorption work? Absorption is a process in which light energy is transferred into an object, causing it to be visible. When light is absorbed by an object, it often reflects certain rays back, causing our eyes to see the color of the object. But if walls are absorbing energy, why don't they glow? Actually, they kind of do. Have you ever seen an infrared camera pointed at a solid object? Chances are it was glowing red, yellow, or green. This glow is the emission of infrared light being released as a result of absorption releasing energy. You just can't see it. Now, you might have wondered, but if glass is clear, why isn't something like sand clear? This is explained easily by how the material is prepared. Morton Tavel, a professor of physics at Vassar College, says, glass being silicon dioxide, not pure silicon, does not have this band structure, so it cannot absorb light as pure silicon does. Sand, on the other hand, is also silicon dioxide, but is filled with so many impurities that light simply scatters outward incoherently, and does not pass through to a noticeable extent. What this means is, depending on how the material is produced, it will influence its opacity, because quite simply, sand and glass are created differently, and thus reflect and absorb light differently. Hopefully you've learned why glass can be seen through but not walls, and understand a bit more about light itself and how it works. And I hope you can see why light is such an interesting topic to learn about. Sources include Fact Monster Light Facts 2007, DK 5/1922, PopSci April and Scientific America October 21st, 1999, Morton Tavel 5/1922. Science, am I right?